Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add text to your YouTube video after uploading. If you are new to our channel, we make regular videos relating to softwares and apps. So if you like our videos, please press the like button and the subscribe button. Now moving on to the topic of our video. First sign in to YouTube, then click the profile pic in the right corner. Then go to YouTube Studio. Once you are there, click the content option in the left column. Then there will be videos you have uploaded recently. Then go to the video in which you have to change the text or add the text. Click details option. Now go to the bottom of the page. Here click the option show more. Then go to the bottom again. Here is the box of text where you can edit or add text you want. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video.